Rudram. Next. This is where the picture where we all were sitting and chanting Rudram last year. Next. This is the most important Trambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam. Next. What we got from the text is that Rigveda has said that Lord Shiva is a father of microbes and all atomic particles is this creation, and Atharva Veda deals with the atomic fusion of the elements and it is a dance of subatomic particles, while Yajurveda says that Sri Rudram is the perfect set of vibration which generates energy. And I wanted to establish what type of energy it generates. Next. In Rudram is a very powerful mantra. It is in science it is said that the microbes are unfolded in Sri is Namakam, and science of Parmanu unfolded in Sri Rudram is Chamakam. Everything in the earth is an energy and everything is vibrating. So I wanted to establish the relationship of vibrations with Rudram. Next. The location was Sathya Sai Prashanti Nilayam again. It was conducted on the first International Veda Conference, 21st and 22nd. The hour of duration was 5:58 in the morning to 10:28, that is 30 minutes, to measure the spital response of Rudram chanting over 10,000 sadhakas. Next. I have used this antenna. This is a titanium sensor. I have kept it here just to see every one of you. This is a Sputnik antenna which I have kept, and this gives the entire vibrations of the space. It is the density of the electrophotonic imaging. As the density increases of the electrons and electrophotons, then we can find out how much it has increased. There were three parameters which were assessed, was area, intensity and energy. I was sitting here. You can see in that picture. Next. These are the graphs which I got on my computers. It is like an ECG graphs. These are all ECG graphs. And when I calculated the entire things, I have made 11 folders. While we all were chanting, I made 11 folders at Namakam, Chamakam, Om, Shanti. Various places I have made an folder. I wanted to know which of these are showing more energies. That is why, for my practical research purposes, I have done this. Next. This is the area. If you see the area wise also, the intensity, area represents the emotional response to the molecule in the assembly hall during the actual chanting. Here we observe a steady increase in the chart values from start to finish of the chant. It means that the energy has increased in the area wise also. If this is calculated, I can tell you that this energy could be calculated, and if I put the Sputnik even 10 kilometers away from Puttaparthi, the same energy I could have detected there, because it has reached to that level. Next. This is the intensity. If you see the intensity, these are 11 folders. At all the 11 folders, you will find that this energy is increasing. Intensity represents the level of photon per count per each of the respective intent point during the chants, and also shows a steady increase in the values. You will see that these values are increasing. These are all in jewels. Next. Energy. This is a wonderful observation which I got. When we do the calibration, because wherever we want to start the experiment, we do the calibration. And calibration is done to that atmosphere so that we get 1 joule as an initial level. And once that 1 joule is achieved, immediately we start the experiment. But in Prashanti and in Sai Kulvantal, when I did the calibration and just I brought at 1 joule, within a second, it has gone to 3. It means that the energy in Prashanti was 3 times more than the normal anywhere energy in the other places. And even when I forwarded this data to Americans, they have given me a certificate and they said that this is the highest energy we have ever recorded at any place.